Good morning students. Today we are going to start next chapter, chapter 7 of SST. Chapter name is Major Landforms. Landform means are natural and geographical features on the earth's surface. Collectively these includes mountains, plateaus, plains and deserts, coastal plains and islands, etc. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. At some places it is high and some places it is low. Some parts are rugged and some are flat. This gives rise to different landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, desert, etc. We have a map of India. There are some physical features. It is called the landform. Physical features on the map of India. The northern side is the mountain area, northern plain, desert area and the plateaus. You can see on the northern side it is the range of the mountains. It is also called the chain of the mountains. Mountains and natural elevation of the earth's surface. Elevation means height above the sea level. So these usually have a broad base and a small summit. Summit means highest point of hill. So as you higher, the climate of mountains become colder, which is the reason why less people live in the mountain areas. So mountains are landforms that rise up thousands of earth from the earth's surface. These solid rocky masses in long chain. The tips of the mountain is called peak. A long chain of mountain is called mountain range. So mountains may be arranged in a line known as range. For example, the Himalayas in Asia and Alps in Europe and the Andes in the South America. There are three main types mountains: fold mountains, block mountains and volcanic mountains. Fold mountains are created where two or more of the earth's tectonic plates are pushed together. This process is called uplift. And mountains and hills are formed. The Aravalli range in India is the example of fold mountains, and the Himalayas mountains and the Alps are junk fold mountains. Block mountain. Block mountain are created a large area land and broken down and displaced vertically. Rhine Valley and Vosges mountains in Europe for examples of such mountain systems. Volcanic mountains that opens downward to a pool of molten rocks called magma below the surface of the earth. It is a hole in the earth from which molten rocks and gas erupt from the earth's surface and lava and cool down upon the earth's surface. When the lava cools, it builds a cone of rock and called volcanic mountain. And the Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fusiyama in examples of such mountains. And the volcanic mountain in Pacific Ocean is called Hawaii. So the river valleys and terraces are ideal places for the cultivation of crops. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. Flora means vegetation means plants, fauna means animals. So mountains have a variety of flora and fauna. Mountains are also storehouse of timber, wild plants and medicinal herbs. They provide an ideal site of tourist visits and for various adventure sports like paragliding, hang gliding, skiing, etc. Volcanic mountain, its name is Hawaii. Next part is plateau. Plateau is a flat-topped highland with a steep side. Since it looks like a table, it is also called a tableland. Thus, they are areas of high flat land. It may have one or more side with steep slopes. The height varies from a few hundred meters or several thousand meters like a mountains. They may be young or old. So plateau have some examples. Some plateaus are the Tibet Plateau and the Deccan Plateau of India. Tibet Plateau is the highest and the largest plateau in the world. It is also called the roof of the world. And Deccan Plateau is the India one of the oldest plateau. So plateaus are rich in minerals deposits. And African plateau are famous for gold and diamond mining. And Chota Nagpur Plateau are rich in minerals. Huge deposits are here in iron, coal, etc. So many waterfalls also rise in plateau as rivers fall from great height. So Chota Nagpur Plateau Jog Fall in Karnataka is very beautiful waterfall. So some parts of world have a lava plateau that are rich in fertile black soil and good for cultivation. Because of the beautiful waterfall and natural scenic beauty, it is the attraction of the many tourists. Plains. Plains are large stretches of flat land, and some places they may be flat while at other places they may be rolling and undulating. Undulating means falling. The plains are mostly found by rivers and their tributaries. The rivers flow down from the slopes of mountains and erodes them. As they flow down, they carry the eroded material. So fertile plain, generally very fertile, because of which land is highly productive cultivation. Transport and communication building is easy in the plains. So therefore there are the most thickly populated regions of the world. For example, Indo-Gangetic plains are the most densely populated regions of India. Desert. Deserts are very dry areas, and there are wild areas that get little or no rainfall. Desert are of two types, hot and cold deserts. So hot deserts are like Thar Desert in India, Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert are all hot desert with extreme temperature, and vegetation in these areas are very limited due to scarcity rainfall. Scarcity meaning in short of supply, less rainfall. For there are a cacti plants, herbs like kikar and babool usually grow in dry deserts of India. Thanks and have a nice day.